How to link a bank account to Fidelity? Well, what you're gonna have to do is, first of all, you're gonna have to go to fidelity.com and then simply log in into your account. So once you're logged in, you're gonna have to navigate to the settings section where you'll find options to verify your identity and link external accounts securely. This verification process is crucial to ensure the security of your financial information and transactions. So by confirming your identity and linking your bank account, you establish a secure connection that allows for seamless transfers and management of your investments. So the second step is to navigate to the banking and cash management tab. So you're gonna have to go to this tab here, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply look for the top menu bar on the home page, and you're gonna have to click on accounts and trade, and from the drop down menu that appears, select the banking and cash management, and then you're gonna have to select link a bank account option within the banking and cash management, and then simply add your bank account details, and that's all. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.